excuse? And if any action is to be taken against it, will it be taken by the government or municipal authorities? How can a group of people belonging to a particular organization act on behalf of government? What is law and order? A few days later, after this incident in West Bengal, a nun was gang raped. Incidents in West Bengal and Assam are very threatening. The minorities of the country is living in fear. Is this right? Don't you think this is a responsibility of no ministry to ensure peace and maintain harmony of the country? Despite assurances from our Honorable Prime Minister, why such incidents are taking place? How can you allow someone to discredit a church just on the ground that legal system was not available? Is this a justified order? And if an action is to be taken against it, will it be taken by the government or municipal authorities? How can a group of people belonging to a particular organization act on behalf of government? Where is law and order? We are a secular nation. Then why only one religion is being glorified and government is taking no steps against it? मेरा प्रश्न ये है कि क्या भगवान सिर्फ मंदिर और मस्जिद और गिरजाघरों में मंदिर और मस्जिद में ही बसते हैं, मंदिर में बसते हैं, गिरजाघर और मस्जिद में नहीं? Such administration in West Bengal also gave assurance, but no arrests were made after 72 hours of gang rape. I would like to end my speech on a question. What is government's action plan to tackle communal violence and hatred for minorities? And how will you assure the minorities that they are safe in our country? Thank you.
I would now like to call Ms. Ravilesh to put her views before the House.
The danger is that the minority will simply use its power to suppress the minority and take away the rights from the minority. I want to ask the government that how and when the government is going to take adequate steps to protect the minority and also provide such rules which play effective roles regarding minority protection. Having so many laws related to minority protection, still majority abuse the rights of the minority. In a democratic country, minorities have exclusive right to live a secure life, and no one has power to snatch the right and no give to them feeling of a living unsecured life. Being a citizen of India, it is a duty of our society as well as government to provide such protection to those who suffer such shameful acts. Same as what happened in the Dadri case. Just because they belong to the minority, they don't have rights to live their life on their accordance. Since from a long time, we have already seen that minorities face lots of challenges in his and her life, which is actually a big negative point for the government. And still unsuccessful to provide that affordable and secure life, which is a basic right for each human being. And if it is not going to be fulfilled by the government, it becomes very shameful part of government. Like having a precise fundamental right to equality, we are still facing this kind of problems which occur day by day, not for the minorities only, but also for the whole society. Government took appropriate steps indeed, but there is still that space which must be fulfilled by the government. The minority protection. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Ms. Ravina to put her views before the House. The audience, please maintain discipline. I am seeing you all restless. Please maintain the discipline.
Madam Speaker, we are deeply saddened by the and recent incidents in Dadri and some unethical people who spoke against blind faith are simply unacceptable. We condemn all violence and intolerance of any kind. I am deeply pained by the decisions of some writers to return the Sahitya Academy Awards. While I do not claim that intolerance is a recent phenomenon. I accept their feelings as genuine, and many of those returning their awards are doing it for non-political reasons. I would like to take this opportunity to exert my full backing for free speech and against attempts to impose one segment's views on another. And as for violence, there is simply no place for it in India. To act proactively to prevent violations of any kind. We have ordered a judicial probe into this incident and have also taken up measures to restore peace and harmony in that area. We will provide them financial aid and ensure that the culprits who committed this heinous crime will be put behind bars. विश्वास कीजिए, हमें थोड़ा टाइम तो दीजिए, हम वायलेशन का नाम और निशान मिटा देंगे।
प्लीज शांत हो जाइए। Now, I would like to call the House for the first reading. I would like to call Shraddha Sharma for presenting the bill in the House.
I would like to move the bill, Right to Fair Compensation and Transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement, Second Amendment Bill 2015 before the House.
Yes.
Now, I am going to table the bill, the Right to Fair Compensation and Transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement, Second Amendment Bill 2015. The purpose of the bill, further to amend the Right to Fair Compensation and Transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2015. Now, I would like to read Clause 1. Section 1.
Those in favor of the bill or moving the bill will say aye. Those against the bill will say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. I would like to adjourn the House for lunch break. We'll meet after 45 minutes.